We spend 87% of our lives indoors, and much of that time in the office. But we can't resist our innate biological preference for nature. It's why we have a profoundly positive response to natural light and intrinsically enjoy the sounds of nature. Even our primordial sense of hearing is extremely well adapted to survival in the outdoors, but ill-adapted to the acoustics of an open office. Our omnidirectional hearing is always on and especially sensitive to human speech. So in quiet spaces, if you can make out the words of a nearby conversation, it breaks your focus, and can be a little irritating. Shh. As a result, companies are resorting to blasting white noise to block surrounding distractions. But the sound is unpleasant, fatiguing, and known to increase stress. And this certainly isn't getting us any closer to nature. So Plantronics combined 50 years of acoustic engineering with natural sciences to finally design the open office for people. Plantronics Habitat Soundscaping, a modern acoustic management system that combines sight, sound, and science, all inspired by nature. We start with an ambient sound based on our biophilic connection to the great outdoors. Decades of studies have proven that one of the most calming sounds for people is water. And not the rushing water of Niagara Falls! Or the trickling sound of coffee. We're talking about a combination of water and nature sounds precisely engineered and tested for years to create a calming work environment. Then we transform this sound into a multi-sensory experience. We design a waterscape architecture customized to your specific environment. So now what you see and what you hear feels right and natural. Finally, we combine the science. Acoustic engineering. The Habitat Soundscaping system intelligently monitors workplace acoustics and adjusts speaker volume based on changing conversation levels. The result? As conversations happen, which is the whole point of open offices, only the areas surrounding the distraction experience a subtle increase in acoustic levels. Think of it as a calming sound shield, constantly reacting to protect your focus. So if we're going to spend this much time in the office, let's leverage the power of nature to increase our focus and improve our happiness and well-being.